And community. Nicole and Papa Bert, would you lay a white veil on Yam and Miguel's shoulders? In Filipino tradition, this veil represents the
We're also here already, so there'll be still surprises if you come back. Come, and we hope you do next year. So, welcome to Yam and Miguel's wedding, and we appreciate the effort you made to be here, and you're being here.
Sa latest social media post ay masayang ibinahagi ng aktres na si Yam Concepcion na dumating na ang special day sa buhay nila ng fiancé niyang si Miguel Kunji. Mensahe ni Yam sa kanyang social media account, long-awaited sweet reunion with family. Ikinasal na sina Yam at Miguel sa New York na dinaluhan ng kanilang piling-piling malalapit na kaibigan at mga mahal sa buhay. Congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Kunji!